In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quantower Volume Analysis. We'll walk through setting up the cluster view, picking the right display mode and data types, and tailoring colors and settings so the most important order flow details stand out clearly. Start by opening a chart of the instrument you're analyzing. Choose a time frame that matches your style. Volume analysis shines on intraday charts, but it can add context at any horizon. Make sure your data is loading cleanly so the volume prints are accurate. Next, look toward the bottom toolbar and open the Volume Analysis toolbar. Click on Cluster. This swaps your standard candles or bars for a footprint-style view, where each bar is broken down by price level. Instead of just seeing where price moved, you'll see how much business actually happened at each price inside the bar. Now choose your display mode. Single shows one ladder of values per price level. Great when you want a clean read of activity without distraction. Double splits the data to show both sides at each level, making it easy to compare buying versus selling pressure in real time. Imbalance adds automatic highlights to spots where one side overwhelms the other, so strong buying or selling pockets pop off the chart without you hunting for them. With the mode set, pick the data type you want to view. Volume shows the total traded at each price, ideal for spotting nodes where the market agreed on value. Buy and sell volume breaks that total apart, revealing whether aggressive buyers lifted the offer or aggressive sellers hit the bid. Delta shows the difference between those two. Positive delta suggests buyers were in control at that price, while negative delta points to selling aggression. Number of trades counts how many individual prints occurred, which can hint at whether activity came in a few large blocks or many smaller orders. Finally, use colors and settings to highlight what matters. Turn on delta heat so strong positive or negative delta glows visibly, helping you spot absorption or exhaustion. Emphasize imbalance areas so they're unmistakable when you scan the chart. Keep your color scale consistent across sessions to build intuition and avoid overly saturated palettes that can hide subtler signals. By opening your chart, enabling cluster, selecting the right display mode, choosing the data that answers your question, and dialing in colors and highlights, you transform price bars into a rich, readable map of order flow. Practice reading these patterns bar by bar, and you'll quickly see how volume analysis adds clarity to your trading decisions.